Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add product variants on Shopify. First, go to the Shopify website and make sure you log in into your account. Now, from the left-hand menu, click on Products. Then, click on the product where you want to add variants. Here, you can enter the title, description, and upload media like images or videos for your product. After that, scroll down to the Variants section. Click on Add Options. This is where you can create different versions of the same product like size or colors. In the first option box, tap something like size or colors. Then, add the values. For example, if you choose color, enter red, blue, green, or any colors you offer. You can add more than one. Once you're done, click Donate to save that variant option. You can also add another option like Age Group. Enter the name as age group and then type the values like adults, teens, toddlers. You can repeat this process to add even more variant options if needed. When all your options are added, Shopify will automatically generate all possible combinations for you. Finally, click Save at the top or bottom of the page to apply the changes. Now, your product will show different options for customers to choose from when they visit your store. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.